Hello and welcome to this week's Trades of the Week. It is Monday, the 11th of March, and we're following on from a very profitable first couple of weeks, well, 6 days of March. We're up over 1100 pips so far today. So we've got plenty to show you. Today we're going to be focusing on sterling yen, sterling dollar, and then the Dow Jones. And here we're starting on sterling yen. So as you can see here, this is a classic sniper setup. You can see here the change from green to red, above 75 on the Trendsignal line, down the bottom right here. So we've got that change from green to red there. We're then looking here at the big yellow disc with the red circumference, confirming that and the vector average has changed from green to red, saying the trend has shifted. So this is our entry here at the close of this candle on the 6th of March. What's interesting about this trade is it's actually in line with the monthly trend. So what do I mean by that? Well, what we're looking at the monthly trend here. So as you hover over the entry candle, you can see that this arrow here is in a downward position, red arrow. So we're going in line with the long-term trend. So this means we're going for a bigger target. We're more likely to hit that target on these sort of setups. They're more profitable, which means we're going for 1.3 times our average true range of 1.24. So if we go for 1.24 times 1.3, it comes to 162 pip target. So we can see there we hit target within 2 days, banked our profit, and as you can see today we've had a little dip down, a bit lower, but we're also now pulling back as well. So again, we banked our profit there on sterling yen. Within 2 days, we banked 162 pips. Moving on then, we've had a regulation sniper, if you like, on sterling dollar, following on from another good trade here back in February. This trade here, they're going for a smaller target. It's against the long-term trend. So as you can see, the monthly is up. So we're only going for a smaller target. We've got more negative expectations. 100 pip target there was hit again within 2 days. So we entered there on the 5th. We hit target on the 7th of March for 100 pip profit. And then finally, moving on to the Dow Jones. So we look at a mixture of FX, indices, and commodities on the end of day D1 strategy. And here we had an entry on the 4th of March, again in line with the monthly trend. So we can see the trend is in a downward position on the monthly. Target's a bit big on this one though, so the average true range at the moment is 266 pips. Times that by 1.3 gives us a target of 346 pips, which again was hit within 2 days. We banked our profit for 346 pips there. So lots of trades going off at the moment. A very good start, up 1192 pips today in March. We'll be showing you all of these trades and more in the sessions that we have this week. Tuesday at 12:30, Wednesday at 7, and then Thursday at 12:30 as well. We hope to see you online. There's a link below this video to book your place now. Thanks and goodbye.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trendsignal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trendsignal website for the latest events and to book your free place.